Welcome. In this session, we'll prepare your system for Unreal Engine, update your Windows and Nvidia drivers, set up your Epic Games account, install the Epic Games launcher, download Unreal Engine, and finally, create your first project. Step 1. Update Windows. Open the Start menu and click Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install all available updates and restart your PC if required. Keeping your system up to date ensures better performance and compatibility. Step 2. Identify your GPU. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and select GPU. Check the name of your graphics card and note the amount of dedicated GPU memory. In my case, it's an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti with 16 GB of VRAM. Step 3. Update NVIDIA drivers. Option A, using the NVIDIA app, recommended. Open your browser and search for NVIDIA App Download. Click the official NVIDIA link, download the installer, and run it as administrator. Agree to the license terms and complete the installation. Open the app, go to Drivers, and make sure the NVIDIA Studio driver is installed or updated. Option B, Manual Download. Alternatively, search for NVIDIA drivers. On the download page, choose GeForce, then RTX 5000 series, then RTX 5070 Ti, and select Windows 11. Choose the Studio driver, download it, and install it. Restart your system if prompted. Remember, for Unreal Engine, the Studio driver is preferred over the Game Ready driver. Step 4. Create or sign into your Epic Games account. Go to unrealengine.com in your browser. Click Sign In or Create an account. Enter your date of birth, making sure you're above 18. Enter your email address and click Continue. Fill in your first name, last name, and create a strong password that includes a capital letter, a number, and a special character. Choose a display name, set your country, agree to the terms, and click Continue. Check your email for the verification code, enter it, and complete the setup. If prompted to link gaming accounts, you can skip this step by clicking Done Linking. Step 5. Install the Epic Games launcher. Click on Get Unreal Engine on the Unreal Engine site, then click Download Launcher. Once downloaded, run the installer, leave the default folder unless you prefer a different drive, and click Install. After installation, sign in using your Epic Games credentials. On the left side of the launcher, you'll see Store, Library, and Unreal Engine options. Click on Unreal Engine in the launcher. At the top right, click Install Engine. Select the latest version, for example, 5.6.1. If your system drive has limited space, click Browse, choose another drive, and create a new folder such as E/Unreal. Set the path and confirm. Click Options to customize the installation. Ensure these components are selected: Core Components, Starter Content, Templates and Feature Packs, MetaHuman Creator Core Data, Editor and Engine Symbols for debugging, optional if you have space. Under Target Platforms, check Android, iOS, Linux, and tvOS if needed. Click Apply, then click Install. Expect around 40 GB to download and up to 120 GB installed size. Depending on your internet speed, installation may take anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours. Step 6. First launch and firewall setup. Once installed, click Launch. If prompted by Windows Firewall, allow access for both the Epic Games Launcher and Unreal Editor. The editor will initialize for the first time. Step 7. Create your first project. In the Unreal Project browser, you'll see categories like Games, Film, Video, and Live Events, Architecture, Automotive, and Simulation. For now, click on Film, Video, and Live Events and choose Blank. Name your project My First Project. Click Browse for the project location. Create a folder called Unreal Projects in your chosen drive and select it. Click Create. Unreal will compile shaders. This may take a few minutes. Once loaded, you'll see your workspace ready for action. Congratulations! Your Windows system, Nvidia drivers, Epic Games Launcher, and Unreal Engine are fully set up, and your first project is ready. In the next session, we'll explore the Unreal Engine interface and begin our journey into virtual production.